Okay, so this is going to be a demo of what I call the chord inversion drill. So if that's written on your practice sheet, if you're one of my students, this is how we're going to do it. You can take screenshots of these. You probably have these handouts if you are one of my students. And what we're going over is how we can play these chords in different inversions. So C major chord, we can play C, E, G, we can play E, G, C, or we can play G, C, E. And any of those are going to work. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this drill and we're going to play the first 6 measures of it, and then we're going to go up the circle of fifths. So I'm going to demonstrate this with F, C, and G. Okay, so the second part will be how it's written on this paper. The first part is going to be just taking that same idea in F. So an F major chord is F, A, C. I'm off screen there. Now we're going to go A, C, F. And when your hands are down, you can just replace the next finger. Move each finger up to where the next finger is and just pop the next one on top. Now once we're done with the third version of the chord, which is the second inversion, we're going to go up the circle of fifths. So notice that my right thumb is on C, which is our next chord up the circle of fifths. So we just did F, now we're doing C, and I'm already in position to do that. So I'm going to go from this F major chord that I'm on to the C major, C, E, G, and I'm going to play this drill as written now in C. It's going to go C, E, G, C, E, G, left hand chord, right hand chord. E, G, C. G, C, E is next. And now the same thing's going to happen. I'm going to go up the circle of fifths and go to G, which is where my pinky and my thumb now are. And I'm going to reset to G major. Now B, D, G. D, G, B. Okay, and then if we were continuing, we'd go to D major now. And eventually, we will do that drill around the whole circle of fifths, but we're going to expand our chord knowledge 1 or 2 chords at a time. So I'm going to go relatively slowly through this in F, C, and G one more time so you can see. So F, A, C, A, C, F, C, F, A. Now we're going to C major, C, E, G, E, G, C, G, C, E. Now we're going to G major, which is G, B, E, B, D, G, D, G, B. And then we would continue up to D major. Okay, so that is how the inversion drill works. These are the resources that go with it. Good luck.